G'day, welcome back. I know it has been a while since the last update and I have promised this on various channels, but it's pretty much done in terms of what I set out to build from the start. I might still actually want some extra things now, but yeah, I'll take you through how it's turned out. I'm super happy with it. It's come up exactly as I wanted right from the moment I rode that first bike way back when. So yeah, let's have a quick look. We'll do some walk arounds, we'll do some slow-mos, I'll talk you through everything that's been done, including that high fender conversion on the front, and we'll tell you how we did that. But yeah, super pumped. I walked out here, almost walking speed out here today. The slowest I've ever come into one of my favourite little stretches here to try and keep it clean. Hopefully I'll be able to yeah, up the pace a bit on the way out, but let's have a look and I'll talk you through everything that we've done to it and how we did it. Alright, here she is. With the stickers all done up, would have been, that's new since the last time you saw it. But the other big thing is this whole front high fender conversion. So let's talk you through how we did that. This is an Extrema super motard high fender. And my mate Andy Bacon, who's a superstar, he fashioned up, this is going to get bumpy here, well, he fashioned up a plate to go up in under here, and that goes directly up into the clamp back up in here. So much the same way as some of the other conversion kits, but he actually has the tools to do it, so he fashioned that up for me. And basically what that does is that allows you to run an off the shelf, as I said, a Extrema super motard high fender. We've just lopped the back off so that it clears here. It clears your engine protection bars really easily. And we've left the original low fender on, which means all of the cabling, mounts and everything all run up, no issues there at all. And all we've done is actually cut off and round out this front piece here. He's done a magnificent job of that. It actually looks factory. Looks really trick. And when you come back from here, that's exactly the look that I wanted, because I said right from the start that it was kind of missing something in here from literally from a visual perspective. And so in this case we've got the best of both worlds. We've got the low fender with all the mounts, all the brake line mounts, etc, etc. None of that needed to change. That's all kept. But we've opened this up and we've got the high guard in there, so now it looks like a proper thing should. And I reckon almost from every angle that looks like a better thing now. So for those who haven't seen before, run you through real quickly what we've done. Bark busters are on here, awesome. Flip out mirrors from Rottweiler, awesome. We've got the Garmin mount, and there's a special little mount in there from Moto Pumps that's really solid, really snug. Love that, awesome. Crash bars are on. Bash plate from B&B Off-Road here in Australia is brilliant, super rugged, super good fit. Really like that, love supporting a local product. We've got the SC Project slip-on, and of course we've got a bit of a custom design sticker kit that I had to do. I wasn't happy with any of the other options that were out there, me being a designer from the past. So I came out with this one, which is sort of, you know, looks a little bit like some of the factory rally bikes, some of the factory racing bikes. So it's echoed all that, and I think it's come out really well. And that is really all that we've done so far, other than these bad boys. They're on there too. I think that's it. Actually, no. I also got a custom little quad lock mount. Not custom. Little quad lock mount. I'll put the link in there, but it actually bolts onto the top of the clamps here and goes in here. And that's really nice, really snug. I'm a bit OCD when it comes to positioning that stuff and positioning, you know, your phone off there. I haven't actually taken that one off yet. That's very lazy. But I like everything in the center. I don't like them off to the sides. I mean, there's something subconscious about having a bit more weight on one side of the bars that I don't really like. But that is it. And now when I said it's finished, well, it is finished in terms of what I set out to achieve. It is done. However, I had a track day at Phillip Island just the other day on the new Aprilia RS 660. Oh crikey, or a new variation of it. And I've forgotten just how awesome and how potent that little engine can be when it's wicked right up. So I kind of want a full system and a tune on here now. Not so much for on the dirt. I think on the dirt and on the really rough stuff, it's more than enough power. But just on the road, it could do with that little bit more. So I reckon I might have to do something about that. There could be more money going this way, but there you go. That's where it's at. So what do you reckon, full system or should I leave it as it is? Let me know in the comments. I think I'm probably leaning towards full system and tune. Because yeah, that RS660 Extrema was pretty good fun at Phillip Island. And I kind of like having 100 horsepower or even a little bit more than 83 on the road, on the sealed stuff. As I said, on the dirt, it's pretty great. So we'll leave it there today. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you think it turned out. If you think I should do anything more, if you think I should go the full system, and where to from here. But yeah, thanks for joining us on the journey that was putting this together. I know it took a long time. Hey, broken legs will do that. But yeah, super pumped with where it came out. And thanks for all the people that helped along the way and supported the journey and pitched in and did a bit here and there. You know, Andy Bacon, as I said, basically from Aprilia, Australia, has done a whole bunch of work on this bike, and he needs all the shout outs and kudos. So thanks, mate. I still owe you a bottle of your favourite, or maybe 2 bottles. So yeah, next time I see you. So we'll leave it there today. Have fun, enjoy getting out there. I hope everyone out there in Tuareg land is having fun on their bikes, and let me know what you think. Talk to you soon.